Welcome to Rupert's Bird of the Day. Now, what's this little bird running around wagging its tail? Yes, that's right, it's a wagtail. Now, lots of people, when they see this little bird, think that it's a yellow wagtail. And yes, it has got plenty of yellow on it, but it's actually a grey wagtail. If you see a real yellow wagtail, which only visit us in the summertime, you'll see what I mean when I say a yellow wagtail is very, very yellow. Here's one. Even the field the yellow wagtail in is yellow. Whereas our little grey wagtail has a lovely grey back and loves catching insects in muddy fields like this, provided for us by some very smelly animals. That's right, there's a field of pigs and lots of flies for the grey wagtails to eat.